Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you why I chose the Q30 as my daily driver instead of the Sony XM3-1000, which is 3 times more expensive than the Q30. The Q30 surprised me with its brand new design. It is a major step up from the previous version, the Q20, and if you put them side by side, the Q30 looks like it is from a different headphone lineup. It has a brushed metal headband design with a unique sliding arm design. And underneath the SOUNDCORE logo on the right ear cup is a touch capacitor button with an NFC tag. The right ear cup also houses a pair of volume button, a pause and play button, and a headphone jack. And on the left ear cup is an USB-C port, a power button, and a noise cancelling button. And that is it for the design. And I personally love the design. I think it looks great and way better than the Q20. The brushed metal headband makes the headphone feel more durable and more premium, and for the build quality it is on par with the XM3 if not better. And as you can see in the video, I move the headphone around a lot and it still works just fine. The first reason why I chose the Q30 over the XM3, which is 3 times more expensive, because of how comfortable the Q30 is. Even though both weigh about the same, the Q30 has a softer headpad and slightly softer ear cups. The Sony XM3 makes the top of my head feel a bit painful after wearing the headphone for 2 hours. The SOUNDCORE Q30 is comfortable. I don't feel any pain after wearing it at all. The second reason why I like the Q30 is because of the battery life. With noise cancellation on, it can last up to 40 hours and 60 hours with noise cancellation off. And if you compare that to the Sony XM3, the XM3 can only last 38 hours with noise cancellation off. 60 hours versus 38 hours. That is a huge difference. The third reason why the Q30 is better is because of the dual pairing feature. You can double press the power button and pair it with the second device. The sound transition between the first and the second device is seamless. As soon as you play something on your second device, the headphone will automatically switch to that device. The Q30 has other features as well, such as transparency and NFC. You can also connect the Q30 to the SOUNDCORE app, which allows you to fine-tune the audio and adjust the noise cancellation between 3 different modes: indoor, outdoor, and transport. The noise cancellation is better than the Q20, but it is not as good as the XM3. But for the price, I think that the ANC on this Q30 from SOUNDCORE is great. The build quality is good, the battery life is great. I have to say that the battery life is awesome. But what about the sound quality? Before I talk about the sound quality, keep in mind that I'm not an audiophile, and in my non-audiophile opinion, the Q30 sounds great. I tried to distinguish the sound quality between the Q30 and the XM3, but I could not. They sound very similar, and I think the XM3 has a better bass than the SOUNDCORE Q30. Again, in my non-audiophile opinion, the SOUNDCORE Q30 sounds great. Great bass, great mid and high, and at only $80, this will be the best budget ANC headphones out there. However, nothing is perfect, and the Q30 is no exception. There is one thing that I don't like about this headphone. It is the NFC tag, and it is nice that they include an NFC tag inside the right ear cup, but it is not sensitive at all. My OnePlus 8 Pro did not have any problem connecting to the Sony XM3 using the NFC tag. But for the Q30, I have to move the phone around to find that sweet spot to trigger the NFC. And with a thick speaking case on my OnePlus 8 Pro, the NFC on the Q30 will not work at all, but it will work just fine on the XM3. And that is it for this review. I personally highly recommend this headphone. I think it is definitely worth a lot more than $80. You will get a lot more than what you pay for. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys again in the next video. Peace out.